Hi, my name is Sue Gutzner. I'm managing partner here at Farmers Creamery in the rolling hills of Wellman, Iowa. So my role here is to take the wholesome, fresh milk that we get from our small family farms and make sure that it maintains that freshness throughout our process, and so that when it gets to our customer, it tastes good and it is food safe. Milk comes into our facility straight from our farmers and is unloaded through our receiving bay. It goes first through a press to make sure that it's very cold. So once the milk comes into our facility, it is tested for antibiotics to be sure there is none in the milk. If it passes that test, it's unloaded into our tanks in the actual production facility. Once it's time for pasteurization, the milk is moved to a vat. We pasteurize our product through a vat pasteurization process because we feel that this is a better minimally processed method for seeing that our milk is as close to raw as possible. So by vat pasteurization, we are minimally processing the milk at 145 degrees for 32 minutes. All of this information is critical to seeing that our pasteurization process is met. We have charts that record the entire pasteurization process and are actually regulated and reviewed by government agency to see that we are completing our process properly. Once the product is completely pasteurized, it will move through another press to cool it. Once it's time to fill, the milk is moved to our filler. At that point, we are also preparing our packaging. The bottles are put independently onto the conveyor. It goes through the labeler. It goes through the date code where the sell-by date is placed on the bottle. And then each bottle goes through the conveyor system and into the filling system where each bottle is filled independently. It goes to the capper. And then on through our wash tunnel. Then into our polypack machine where the cases of product are put together and shrink wrapped. After the shrink wrapping process, the product continues to move down to the end of our conveyor into the cooler. Each of the cases are placed on a pallet. Once the pallet's full, the product is ready to be shipped out. Into our warehouse. Thank you for taking this tour of Farmers Creamery with me. Stop by Kalona Creamery or your local organic store to pick up our delicious Kalona SuperNatural dairy products.